If you want to create a sticker in PromeAI, it's a AR sticker maker, another interesting tool. You can create such these stickers. Just type anything that you want or negative prompt, the things that you exactly don't want. For example, red fox with a long ear. Let's try this and generate. And let's see what happened. Create a string. If you want to more about not exactly a sticker, and if you need more artistry, it can create more creative things for you, more than a sticker, like logo designer. Yeah, nice. You can see you can create anything sticker that you want. Or Mars planets. If you Mars planet and create with artistry 100%. In a logo designer, if you increase the number of the artistry, you can see it's going create more than a logo. It just create an image. But if you make number of artistry 0, it create a sticker with a solid background. Something like this. Okay, I like that. I publish it. So play with artistry you can create. Or 3D CAD, cute anime. Yeah, let's enhance that more. Gravity consume. Let's try that. Create a tree image. Yeah, you can see. Interesting sticker. Or you can create cute anime with a little bit artistry and see what happens. These are stickers that have stroke around them, and these are nice. So that's it. It's very interesting. With one click, you can create simple and interesting sticker. This is this kind of art called a sticker. Now you can see if you enhance your sticker, you got something like that. Nice. And you can share your work, and you can see your work in your profile, and other people can see them and like them if you want. For using PromeAI, go to the description and click on this link. Then simple create an account. You can log in or sign up. You can continue with your Google account, or you can give an email and create a password if you want. And here is PromeAI website. For using the PromeAI tools, AI tools, you have to spend coins. If you need more coins to using more of tools, you have to buy one of these plans. And you can redeem a code. I give that code in description. You can use it to get some coins. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.